today we're gonna do a house tour in my house or my mom's house. Okay, let's go. Here's the TV. Here's the iPad. That's my iPad. And this is the chairs. This is the
Nakakayaw na. Ako na lang mag-video.
and this is the bed. This is the lights, and this is ready for Jalabaha. Here, let's check the office. This is the dining.
Something like having fun, it's leisure. Something no pressure to make friends.
We're doing a house
You
tour.
put yourself in situations that are conducive to social.
This is the fridge,
So, hey, I have all of those
and this
help
is where
and
we make like things, creative things. This is supposed to be like this. Call that again. Call that again.
Dining.
Dining. This is the dining. This is the count. And this one is the I don't know.
shop.
Shop. Yeah, a shop,
Shop.
where you have things here like this one, and this is where. Yeah. And oh wait, I think this house is haunted. Look, there's like a place where they go. I don't know where they go, but I think they lock children's here.
Now,
Now
we're here.
Okay. And this is the cooling.
That's the food. And where is the zooming?
Now let's go to the upstairs.
And the next, guys, is all that picture, and there's have the name, another star.
This one is like the same one as Downs at my mom's room. Anyways, let's go.
Oh my god, namiss ko to.
This is like very.
No, that's close.
That's close.
Ooh, this is close.
This is the
kitchen. The kitchen.
yeah. And this is the
Bathrooms.
there's something there. It's locked. Oh, it's locked too.
All of these.
No, no!
Oh, sorry.
It's bad.
And these cabinets here.
Yeah, and this is the entrance of our house.
This is also an exit.
Entrance and exit. Let me show the
Here.
outside.
It's the outside world. Also, we're gonna.
Labas na pa tayo.
Una.
Let's go. So the next one is the other exit. So because she's in a rush first. The office. Let's go back and check the office. We're gonna check to the office. So this is the office. It has a bunch of like arts.
Art.
The bag.
Yeah, these all are bags
Arts.
and the collections.
The arts. Many arts.
Because my mom used to do like these arts right now.
Oh.
Excuse me.
And next, this one.
Bunch of
These-
Kurami.
It's a bunch of Kuromi, my collection. This is like a bunch of like cars here. A lot of it. So much collections.
These
And
the
this
arts.
And look. Wait.
The flowers.
Yeah. Those are the flowers.
Pumpkins. And
Even my test results.
What is this?
You see it has a face now. I don't know why. But we're gonna set it out. Hey Daddy, this is not this. This is where we put the what to call that rug. Now